Welcome back. Welcome back to Confident English Lab. Do you ever want to speak English, but your mind goes blank at the start? You don't need big vocabulary. You need small talk. Today, I'll give you 100 real small talk sentences that native speakers use every single day. Pause. Repeat. Use them today. Important rule. Don't memorize like a robot. Feel the situation. Say it naturally, not perfectly. 100 small talk sentences. Divided into 10 sections. Section 1, everyday greetings. Hey, how's it going? How's your day so far? Nice to see you again. Hey, long time no see. How have you been? What's new with you? How's everything? Good to see you. How's life treating you? Hey, what's up? After every 3 sentences, 3-second pause. Pause the video. Say it out loud. Section 2, weather small talk. Nice weather today, isn't it? It's really hot today. Looks like it might rain. Cold morning, huh? I love this kind of weather. The weather's been crazy lately. Feels like summer already. It's freezing outside. Perfect day to stay indoors. I didn't expect it to be this cold. Section 3, work and study talk. How's work going? Busy day today? What do you do? What do you do? Do you work or study? Working on anything interesting. How was your day at work? Mondays are tough. Almost the weekend. Time flew by today. Long day, huh? Section 4, location and environment. Do you come here often? This place is nice. I like this area. Is it always this busy? I've never been here before. It's quieter than usual. It's quieter than usual. This cafe is great. Love the vibe here. The view is amazing. This area has changed a lot. Section 5, food talk. Have you tried this before? What do you recommend? This smells really good. I'm starving. That looks delicious. That looks delicious. I love this place. I usually come here. Is it spicy? Totally worth it? I'll get this again. Section 6, free time and hobbies. What do you do for fun? Any plans for the weekend? I usually relax. I like watching movies. I'm into fitness. I've been really busy lately, trying something new. Just taking it easy. I need a break. Fine break. Catching up on sleep. Section 7, casual reactions. That makes sense. I know what you mean. Exactly. Really? Really? No way. That's interesting. Sounds good. Fair enough. I get it. True. Section 8, friendly continuers. How about you? What about you? What about you? Tell me more. That's cool. Nice. That's awesome. I like that. Good for you. That's great. Happy for you. Section 9, ending conversations. It was nice talking to you. I should get going. Catch you later. Let's talk again. Let's talk again. See you around. Take care. Have a good one. Enjoy your day. Talk soon. See you next time. Section 10, confidence boosters. Take your time. No rush. It's all good. You're doing fine. Don't worry. Happens all the time. Same here. I feel you. Totally normal. You got this. Here's the secret. Fluent speakers don't search for big sentences. They use small talk naturally. Replay this video. Use 5 sentences today. Confidence comes from use, not memory. Come back tomorrow. Practice again. Grow again. Thank you so much for listening to Confident English Lab. Keep learning and keep practicing. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment. See you in the next video.